much a AI-based application here. You can see a lot of AI templates which you can use. All you have to do is just pretty much upload a photo of a couple or a photo of you alone and you get these results. Very, very simple. So as you can see, a lot of templates which you can use. As you can see this option here, you can scroll across and see what you want. You can tap on this option here to see more in this section here. As you can see, a lot of templates, as I said before, which you can use for this application here. You have the dance template here as well, a lot of AI templates and a lot of photo templates, and a lot of AI video templates which you can use. And most of these, all you have to do is pretty much select whichever one you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one here, and pretty much upload a photo of yourself. So let's say you're doing it for you and your partner. You pretty much will need this option where it says 2-person. If it's just you alone, you can select the 1-person option and select whichever one you want. Once you have selected that, just tap on continue and it will tell you how much credit you're going to need to pretty much generate this here. So once you tap on continue, you're pretty much good to go. It will pretty much ask you to upload photos and so forth. So nothing much for that. So as it relates to the subscription, and as well, you may need to log in. If it's your first time using the application, you're going to need to log in to even use the application at all. And you're going to need a subscription. So the stance here, if I do scroll down, you can go to the top section where it says a photo option. Here be it's the other templates, as you can see here, a lot of other templates which you can use. And as well, a lot of couple templates at the top here which you can use as well. So a lot of templates for this application here. Do make sure you log in as well. So this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription, or you can select the option at the top here. Pretty much go to get your subscription. So this pro subscription for this application here, as you can see, they do offer a free trial of 3 days or 7 days free trial. And if you don't want a free trial, you can always disable this option here. And if I do tap on continue, it will pretty much show you the price of your subscription. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed nothing at all as it relates to this application here, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if it can help you out. See you in the next one.